Welcome back to the channel. If you are currently seeing the frustrating Hostinger error 1001 on your website, you have come to the right place. This error typically indicates a DNS configuration issue, which means your domain is not communicating properly with your hosting server. Today, I am going to walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot and fix this error so your site can get back online immediately. Before we dive into the technical details, if you find this guide helpful, please take a quick moment to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more web hosting troubleshooting tips. Let us get started. First, you need to log into your Hostinger H panel. Navigate to the top menu and click on the Domains tab. From there, select the specific domain that is experiencing the error and look for the DNS/Nameserver section. It is vital that you check that your domain is pointing precisely to the Hostinger nameservers. You should see ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com listed there. If these are incorrect or pointing to a different provider, your traffic will not reach your Hostinger account, causing the 1001 error. If they are incorrect, update them to the values provided in your dashboard. Next, you need to verify your A record. Still inside the DNS management area, scroll down to your A records list. Make sure the A record for your domain name is pointing to the specific Hostinger IP address associated with your current hosting plan. If you are unsure what this IP is, you can find it on your hosting dashboard under the Hosting Account Overview or by contacting Hostinger support. Once you have confirmed that the IP address matches your hosting account correctly, click the Save button. Now, here's a crucial detail that many people forget. DNS changes are not instant. Once you have saved your updated settings, you will need to wait for DNS propagation. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to as long as 24 hours, depending on various ISP caching factors across the globe. During this time, your site might still show the error intermittently, but it will resolve soon. If you have followed these steps and the error persists after 24 hours, I highly recommend opening a support ticket directly with Hostinger, as there might be a deeper server-side configuration issue. Hopefully, this troubleshooting process has fixed the 1001 error for you. If it did, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.